Hello, my name is Tatyana, and in this short video I'll show you how to use the essential oil blend, a sample I sent to you, to support your respiratory system. Now this is often happening not just during winter but even during summer, especially springtime as well. So everybody has different reasons for supporting the respiratory system, so that's all our organs really in here. So we want to make sure that it's all working the way it should do, and our breathing is nice and clear. And this is something, as a mom of three, I always have a challenge to keep up with my boys, making sure that everything they bring from school and nursery I can deal with effectively. And also, so this is something that I am absolutely absolutely amazed with this blend. So you would receive it in a little cute bottle like this. I'll show it to you. So this is a tiny bit of it, and it's called Respiratory Blend Breathe. It speaks for itself. So breathe, people. When you need to breathe, you go for this baby. And so what you have to do is just, you can apply it topically or you can use it aromatically, and I'll show you in a second. So you can just open up the bottle, first thing, very simple, and inhale it. You will smell this blend of essential oils. So it's not just one, it's a combination of various oils together: eucalyptus, melaleuca with the tea tree, lemon, this so many more, peppermint, and it actually has a really nice refreshing aroma. So I love diffusing it. If you already have a diffuser, just put no more than maybe 3-4 drops in it. It'll be plenty. Or just open the bottle and inhale it. It will actually start working straight away. You can also use it topically. So you can literally put a tiny drop and put it right on your chest. Right, so this is your topical application. You can also apply it onto your feet, which is a lot for the kids as well, because their skin can be a bit too sensitive. So feet is a good place to go. Why? Because it will still travel up. The essential oil, that's what they're designed to do, is to give us the systematic support to all our organs, all our systems. So this is what we want to do. But I just applied it to my chest. I love it. It really, when I need that support, I can really feel the difference. Right now, I don't need the support, but it's still going to do a lot of good to me. So what I'm going to do then is just to inhale it. I can actually make this mini inhaler for myself. So the oils are here in my hand that I put, and start doing this. And I can just feel them traveling down. I can feel this lovely opening and this refreshment down my throat. It's lovely. So if sometimes if I do feel that I need support with it, it can actually bring up a bit of a coughing, kind of clearing it out, breaking those any stickiness to it. So this is really powerful. Putting on children's feet is really effective as well. So put it 1 drop on each foot, massage it a little bit, and then put the socks on, and that's it. So if you have young babies, you want to dilute it a bit, and then put the socks on, so you don't want your baby grabbing their feet and then putting it into their mouth. So that'll be nice and easy way to do it. So enjoy your little sample, and I'll be in touch with you soon to see how you're getting on. Have fun. Bye.